So here's a sway bar. Here's a carnage. Just snapped right off the brackets right there. We're gonna be installing the new brackets and putting her back in. Let's get to it. So here you can see where the bracket is completely ripped off right here. Kind of messed up this plastic here. There's the other bolt right there. And then the other side's right here. Just gonna take those off. Also noticed a few things under here. Looks like that sway bar actually bent the lateral links. That's what it seems like. And then my axle boot is also chopped off on the driver's side, so hopefully I can save that with a new boot. If not, I'll have to get another axle. So here's the all 4 SDI sway bar clamps, and here's the stock Bugeye clamps. They're different because this one has like a little tab that goes into the bracket and then pops in with one bolt. This one's got one stud and one bolt, so that's why you gotta get these clamps as well. There we go, got the mounts and clamps on. Gonna drop the car now because of the tension, and once it's dropped I should be able to get those end links on, connected to the lateral links. Here's the setup for the end link. You got your bolt, then your rubber bushing, spacer, bushing on the other side, and then nut. There you go, that's the end of this video. Hope that helped somebody out, and I'll see you in the next one.